So we're living in an era where you need to have the fastest and the best internet speed. And in this video, I want to share with you the best hotspot settings that you need to have on your Android phone. So guys, if you currently have an Android phone and you have a 5G internet at least on your phone based on your service provider, then let's jump right in. So you want to open up your settings on your Android phone and go to connections. And once you're in connections, guys, you want to go ahead and click on mobile hotspot and tethering. Then click on mobile hotspot right here. Now, I want to mention this. These settings that I'm about to share with you, this will depend on your current plan. So if you have a unlimited data plan from your provider, then I would say by all means, when you tap on bandwidth, you can put it to 5G. Or if you want to put it to 6G, it's up to you. But 5G is what I recommend best at this time. If you if you don't have unlimited, let's say, data, but you have, let's say, a limited 10 gig or whatever it is that you have with your plan, I would put it back to 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, or just put it at 2.4 only. So I will just work with that. If you have limited data and you are going to give someone hotspot and you just don't want to blow out your data, recommend choosing this. And that's what I will recommend that you select when you're giving hotspot. But if you're like myself and you have unlimited data, put it up to 5G, hit save, and it doesn't really matter. Internet that you give on from your phone will be very fast. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's what I recommend. Thank you guys for watching.